Today is a big day. I'm harvesting my first ever rutabaga. If you've never grown rutabagas before, they're a cool weather root crop, kind of like a mixture of a turnip and a cabbage. And this one right here is ready. And check it out. Now, you want to harvest these when they're about 3 to 4 inches around. That's when they taste their best. You want to harvest rutabagas when they're about softball size. Too small and you don't get much. Too big and they can get woody. So all I'm going to do is to pull it out of the ground. This is why I garden. To take something like a rutabaga seed that is so small and to grow something massive like this. The feeling you can't beat. It's amazing. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Have you guys harvested your plants like this and have had the same feeling that I have? It is truly awesome to be able to grow your own food. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Until next time, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.